So, you're gonna make the skin color the color of your favorite color. I'm doing yellow. Do whatever color you want. Eep. Forgot those. Had to be there. Oh my god. I kind of mixed them up. It looks weird, I know, but that's how it's supposed to be. I know it kind of looks cool, but this is like a monster, okay? We're making a monster. And then just color it. I can't bucket it because it's gonna be terrible, I swear. But let's add text for a reason. So just keep doing that like this. I think that's the hair. Yeah, I made this girl. She's just a base. Please do not steal. You can, if you do use, please use credits. Just, I don't know how to cut the video, so we're gonna just yeah. You can hear the tapping. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna do it as quiet as I can possibly can. Yo, this is how quiet it is. Literally so quiet. I have a lot of skin colors I have to use on this girl. I took a screenshot of what she looked like before she's closing. So she looked terrible. You can shade it later, do whatever you want. Oh no. Perfect. Sorry, sir. I can book it for that. Oh. Okay. Next, you're going to do the hair color, the color of your pillow. Mine's is purple, so we're doing purple. We're just gonna bucket fill these because I am too tired to fill these in all by myself. I add sparkles to mine. I am gonna make that yellow just for some glamour. This is sometimes how I bucket fill them. It does take a little bit of time, but it's better than having to just color it fully. Unless you like time-consuming ones, which I have to kind of agree. I love that too. It's time-consuming to just normally color it in, but this is the way I always do it. Do this. Check out my tutorial if you want to learn how to do this. All these gap regions. Oh, that's perfect. gosh. Okay. I'm a scat man. Okay. We have. Get over here. Get with a frig. There. Why are you not colored? Anyways, now that you have your hair for your monster, you have to now for the shirt color, if you're adding a shirt, add the color of your hair. I have brown hair for for my hair, so I'm gonna use brown. Beautiful. Beautiful. Next, the eye color. This is almost going to be the last part. Then you can add whatever you want. Now, whatever color you want for the eye color. I'm just going to red that. This kind of red looks cool. It's just how I like to do it, so it adds its own glamour like that. So I don't have to do anything. And then I get a brush. I'm adding shines to it. If you want, you can add your own shines. Maybe I add some shines like in the corner. Y'all, I talk to myself, okay? Don't judge. That looks okay. Like, that's good. Yeah, I like that. I love that. She's cute. Next, mine doesn't have a second eye, but if it does, make it your favorite shape. I'm not doing that because I don't have a favorite shape. I don't like shapes. They freak me out other than the stars, which I'm not doing that for that. Because I'm not struggling on that hair again. Now, add any accessories you want. And if you're an artist, draw your monster. Bye-bye. I hope you like this. And tell me if you want any more. Thank you.